Okay, so what we have here is a situation where I've drawn up my reasons for long and short. Can't find any for going long, really. So I'm looking to go short on the indexes. Can't remember if I was looking at all of the indexes. Short. And let's have a quick glance at gold. Gold was very bullish on the day. Trying to recall what it is that I'm trying to do with gold. These aren't my notes. Let's have a look at the notes from. I have to jump around from platform to platform, but there we are. And lo and behold, it didn't save my notes. Why didn't it save my notes? Well, that's very annoying. Maybe I didn't write any notes. Okay, perhaps I didn't write any notes or I didn't save them. In any case, gold. Gold is right. Yeah, we've got a fake out high, which is a spanner in the works, so we can't be doing anything long on gold unless we get above there, off the closing price, up into last month's highs. So anyway, say it really, see it. We've got the Asian box. We're above the Asian box lows. It's all looking rather bullish. The trade was actually from down here, but it was before my timings. Would have been a lovely trade up to the closing price. And we'll see if we get the follow through. So my question to myself is, how am I going to conduct this? Off the closing price, I want to see a 15-minute fake out low below it for the continuation up. So we'll just keep that on our radar. What we'll do is we'll put an alarm. Where have we got the... Put an alarm somewhere around here. So if I stick it on the closing price, it's going to get hit every 2 seconds. We'll stick it above it. There. And we'll just put crossing. So we might get alerted to that several times over, but we want to see price action around that level bullish for the continuation. Okay, so let's have a look at the stocks. So I'm looking for a sell-off, but we're not getting that. Okay. That's interesting. So if it's not giving us the sell-off, it's going long again, isn't it? Right. Interesting. Didn't want to go long. I've got more reasons to wanting to go short. Reasons for long, 15-minute, 5-minute fake out low. So we've got a 15-minute fake out low confirmed, 10 a.m. Got another one here, in fact. Have we just about? Yep. 5-minute fake out low. It's giving me all the reasons to go long again now, which is what I don't want to do though. Reason being is I don't like the high of days, but we're taking out the high of day now. So that's almost irrelevant at the moment. Looking left, 7th of Jan highs is resistance. Week deck value area high already wicked on a weekly chart. Volume profile by last week's highs. So I'm reluctant to go long. How's the NAS performing? NAS, if we get a 3rd hour breakout, which we haven't, we can go long on a 15-minute fake out low. We could be getting it now, but I don't like the peak formation again. Already put out a peak, as we already put in a peak formation high. Tricky to go long. Don't see weekly value profile favorable, same as the 500. No, nothing naked looking left. Reasons for short, all of the above. Watch Wednesday's highs as support. So I'm still looking for a reversal. Fake out high in the day. We've got Wednesday's highs as potential support. Got a value area high from yesterday. It would be nice if we could get inside of that. We want the fake out high of the 4 and 8 breakout levels. We've got space all the way down to the closing price and below the gap. It'd be pretty impressive if that were to be done on the day. Oil, we've got our alarm set for a long from the inside day lows we looked at earlier. So it's looking as though we're actually going to get a rally again in these stocks. Gold, I don't know if you can see this chart, but maybe the dollar lower. The dollar has given us a fake out high on the day, printed a fresh low, still shy of yesterday's lows, pumping for a potential dump. Strange. a difference. Right, I've got a new hour coming up. W formation. Not the biggest fan of trading a W formation extension because often you see the price pull back in to retest the neckline, but it could just go. The indexes look like they want to go, but I'm just reluctant to buy those. Yeah, that's already gone. Okay, looking at gold here, and everything is lined bullish. Closing price. Yesterday's value area high. We haven't. What did we do? We opened inside of the value area. Right, the way that I'll play this, if we get a 5-minute fake out low above the closing price and that outside bar formation on the 30-minute chart, and it's not a, yeah, no, not even that, 15-minute, that wick, it's got a fake out low. It's got a 1 hour fake out low here, bullish. $15-minute fake out low over here. New hour opening. Easily within range. So going long on gold, small amount in on the basis that we've just turned a new hour and we're pushing through. We've got the 5-minute fake out lows, W formation on the 50-minute down here, 50-minute fake out over here, 1 hour fake out down here. From the closing price, plenty of room in the ATR to go higher. Might be a bit premature. Might want to come back in because we haven't really had any confirmation above the closing price yet. I'd like to see some bullish structure above it. But we've only gone with a small amount just to test the waters because it could just shoot. Right, so gold continues to remain bullish. 5-minute fake out low here. Can add to the position. A new 15-minute candle. I'm always a bit reluctant to chase these 15-minute breakouts without seeing the pullback. It's a pretty, I wouldn't say it was a fresh 15-minute breakout either. We didn't get a fake out low. It was a trap traders short here and then plummeted. I think this could still come back a bit more. It's kind of dicing with resistance over here, the value area high on the day. I'd rather see a clean break of that to want to add to the position. You never know. But it's a pretty nice engulfing candle into the resistance, fake out low off the closing price. See how things pan out. So the NAS, well, the indexes are taking off. So was correct not to have shorted that and in anticipation of the longs. But as I said, I was reluctant to go long. The thing that's holding us up is this dollar on the gold, that is. But now the dollar could be starting to roll over potentially. Who knows? And gold might well get a boost, and then we can add to the position. This gold is pretty darn annoying. The dollar is also annoying. Yeah. Okay, we've got the fake out here at 10:15. Another one over here. Okay, so we've got a bit of confidence there. It's all a bit choppy. Whether it's going to blow off, we don't know, into a new hour later on, or pull back into the M formation annoyingly from the point control. Don't have a 15-minute fake out high yet. We have a 1 hour. Oh, look how choppy that hourly chart is. Wick. Not nice at all. Doesn't bode well for a directional move one way or the other. So perhaps more of the same choppiness, unfortunately. It's a long weekend, so could be the reason. Uncertainty around Donald Trump, the White House. Stocks have gone wild. Stocks like the idea of tax breaks and all the rest of it. So it would have been the better option. But again, as I said, I wasn't interested in longing stocks into sort of non-existing pools of liquidity looking left, really. So we're stuck in this gold. It just doesn't have any oomph. And as we said, we've got trap traders up here. We're getting led off at break even at the moment. Reluctant buyers into the weekend. Having said that, you would have thought a bit of a safe haven with the uncertainty looming. So this is not my style to be sitting in a coil. So I'm going to come out at break even. Because we're coming up to a new 15-minute candle. We haven't got a fake out low in sight. The 5-minute is looking like a fake out low over here, which gets us out at break even. Frustrating. So I've come out at break even. Don't like the price action. What I would do is I would add well, I would enter the position if we get something confirmed later on. But it's coming up towards the end of my day. It hasn't done what it wanted to do in my window. I may still do it, and so be it. But I don't like the W formation. Prospects of a new hour at this resistance dropping heavily to stop us out. So I'm not prepared to run that risk.